How to update the firmware on your GoPro. Step 1. Download the Quik Video Editor app from your App Store. After signing in as a guest, click on the Connect to Camera. Click Allow. Click on the HERO9 black button, or the camera you're working with. It's not going to find the camera till you set it up for pairing, so follow the instructions it's going to show you. Swipe down and swipe over. Click on Connections, then click on Connect Device. Then click on the GoPro app. Then click Continue on your phone, and it should find it. Click Connect. Click on Pair. Your GoPro should beep and you should get a connection successful. You can give your camera a new name or leave it at HERO9 Black. Then it's going to ask us to install the update. It's going to load the update on your phone, and then we'll transfer it from the phone to the GoPro. Click Continue. Click Turn on Wi-Fi. It'll show you the progress of loading it onto your phone. Click on Connect to connect the phone to the GoPro. Click Accept and Continue. It's now loading the new update to your GoPro. It then installs the update and should come up with "You're all set" message. And that's it. You're all done.